Hi, my name is Spencer Coffer, and I will be teaching you all how to make a beautiful charcuterie board. First, you're going to want to place your cheeses so that they are not too close to each other and they are not too close to the edges. Next, you're going to want to place your little jars for dips or olives or whatever else you want to put on your board. Make sure those are spread across the board. After you put your jars and cheeses, you're going to want to place your meats around the board. Make sure they are put in an easily accessible spot and do anything you absolutely can in order to make these the highlight of your board.
A few moments later.
After you place your meats, you're going to want to do your crackers. Place the crackers away from any cheeses so that they don't get soggy. I usually tend to put mine around the sides. This is the time where you want to place any fruits and vegetables that you would like to use around your board. Use these all over your board so that they use up any gaps that you have throughout your board. One of the last steps to making your beautiful board is adding your cookies, pretzels, or anything else that you would want to use in order to cover any blank spots that you're going to have. You are going to have these, so just use some fillers throughout. Tie your board with a nice ribbon, and there you have it, a beautiful meat and cheese board.